Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing something that Vodafone has sent over. On Twitter, Vodafone were doing a giveaway and I participated, and guess what? I didn't win. Alright, I'm joking, I did win. So they sent over this massive box and I'm going to be unboxing it to see what's inside. Alright, after cutting the bubble wrap, which was satisfying, I'm presented with this massive white box. Alright, on with the video. It's a massive white box. On the sides it does say Vodafone. I was going to use the knife but I had to put it down because it's not necessary here. So I'm going to peel it off. I'm going to put the knife away before I injure myself. Alright, so it's another box that was wrapped with this white thing. Alright, that was a magical experience. They sent over this note. It says, "Congratulations Mohammed, enjoy your new Google Chromecast and a few extra treats on us. Let us know it's arrived by tweeting Vodafone. Stay safe, Vodafone UK social media team, smiley face." Little do they know that I'm doing a YouTube video and I'm probably going to be tweeting them 3 days later after editing everything. Alright, so the first thing I see is some sunglasses, pretty standard. It does say Vodafone on the left and right sides. It is pretty lightweight, not something heavy. Overall, nice pair of sunglasses. I'll put that to the side. They sent over this milk chocolate popcorn bites. So it looks like something you would find in Ben & Jerry's ice cream, but it's them cookie bites. It says great taste. Well, obviously, it wouldn't be bad taste. Looking at the ingredients on the back for gelatine, because I can't eat gelatine, it does say vegetarian friendly, which is yes, meaning I can eat it. Alright, moving on to the next one. It's a red plastic something. Alright, I'm gonna try to open it, and I've absolutely failed. Alright, so it's a plastic red cap. It's plastic basically, lightweight. It has the Vodafone logo on it, and on the back it has 3M tape, so I assume you just peel it off. You can stick it to your shirt, stick it to the fridge, stick it anywhere really, so that's cool. On to the next one. It says candy kittens. I'm not sure if it's meant for cats or humans can eat it. Here's the back. It does say vegan recipe. Yes, once again I can eat it. Alright, moving on to the next item. It is a grey box that has almost no text, so I'm not sure what's inside. Alright, there's plastic inside there. Alright, so it's a white cable. The USB cable is USB-A to USB, well, micro USB, so it will not fit on modern Android phones, but it will do. You can still use the cable provided by your phone manufacturer, Samsung or Apple. Alright, so inside is a really colourful power bank. It's extremely colourful, that you can't see on camera. Extremely red, and on the back it says, "The future is exciting. Ready?" No, I'm not really ready. Alright, so it's a USB-A and a micro USB, both 5 volts, and here's the back if you're interested. So the left button doesn't actually do anything. It's the big button that turns it on and off, and the left one is just a blue light indicating. I'm gonna try to charge my phone and let's see if it works. Alright, so nothing has happened, and then I realized that you have to press the button to turn it on, and it does work. I'm not sure if Vodafone sells this on Amazon or somewhere. If not, that means I have something special, limited edition. I'm going to be selling it for £500, don't worry about that. Alright, so next is this mango candy kittens again. I don't know if it's meant for humans or if it's meant for kittens. I have been informed that humans can eat it, so it is not cat or kitten treats after all. So yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Alright, it's vegan recipe once again. Moving on to the next box, it's a white box with yet again no text, so I've got no clue what's inside. Something red, wrapped in bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap, just popping them is just so satisfying. Alright, here's the user manual, and it looks like the Mario character, the mushroom things. Another white cable, USB-A to micro USB, I assume to charge the device. It has a Vodafone logo, and the top has a rubbery feeling. It feels nice to touch. And the bottom is plastic. And the bottom has a suction cup, so I assume you can stick it on your dashboard or something, anywhere like that. The top has a button, and the sides it has two clicky buttons. Moving on to the next item, it is this metal water bottle, and it has the Vodafone logo on the side. It's pretty cool. The bottle itself is pretty large, so I can fit quite a bit of water in there. The top has this wooden thing, and I can twist it to open it. And inside it is metal. So I assume I can put hot water or cold water, and it will stay chill or it will stay warm. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put hot chocolate in there. Alright, a quick note. My sister has told me that this metal water bottle is not thermal, meaning that if I pour hot water or hot chocolate into it, I'll probably burn my hands. Yeah, so just letting you know that I'm not dumb and irresponsible. The next item is the main deal. This is the reason why they sent over this box. It's the Google Chromecast, the new one. So 1080p HD support, plugs into HDMI. It does support Google Assistant, which is extremely good. I can simply say, hey Google, and say, I don't know, play Justin Bieber on the Chromecast, and it plays Justin Bieber. So here's the back of the box. And here's the side. It shows a little tutorial. On the bottom it does say Google Nest Mini is sold separately, but I did recently order a Nest Mini thanks to that Spotify Premium promotion. Alright, I'm gonna cut into this box. It is wrapped in plastic, and it's like cutting the plastic of an iPhone box when you cut all four corners, and then it's extremely satisfying. This is the satisfying part of the unboxing. Alrighty, so there is the main item. They did send over the black version, which I think is pretty cool. It does have micro USB at the bottom, and I thought the HDMI cable would magnetically attach to the Chromecast, but I assume that's the older versions and they got rid of the magnet, but that's fine. And here's the power plug. It is black color too, looks pretty cool. And here's the cable itself. So you need to connect this cable to the power plug and connect the other end to the Chromecast. It does use micro USB, not USB-C, which is kind of strange to see. And here is the quick start menu. You can pause it if you want to read it. And here is a be safe leaflet. Obviously throw that away. Alright, so I connected it to the HDMI port at the back of my TV and connected it to the micro USB. And now I'm going to set it up on my iPad. Alright, here's the Google logo. So I assume everything's updated, everything's set up and ready to go. So I'm going to use Casey Neistat's video to demonstrate the Chromecast. I'm going to cast it to the living room Chromecast.
Yes, dear?
What are you doing?
I was going to start a new vlog.
And it works. Alright, next we're going to be demonstrating the Spotify feature. Obviously, you already know we're going to be playing Justin Bieber Baby on the TV. And yeah, it works. Alright, I'm joking, I don't actually listen to Baby. And that was all that Vodafone sent over. I'm extremely grateful that Vodafone has picked me for their giveaway. They sent over a lot of stuff, a lot of sweets, a lot of chocolates, and of course the Chromecast. I'll find that really useful because I can just, you know, ask my phone to play something on the TV and it will. So it's just making my home smart now. And yeah, that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you like tech videos, tech reviews, tech unboxing, basically technology in general, consider subscribing because I'll be posting more and more of these videos, possibly phone reviews in the future. And yes, that was it. See you in the next video. Peace.